If you're using that home computer to VPN into your network or access your company email, both of those things you're going to be vulnerable at that point. So if you don't have the same security protections in place that you do on your business corporate laptop, then that machine becomes vulnerable, because what if I've got that malware and I'm logging into my email? Well, then now they can potentially capture my password from me typing it in on the computer. If I log into the VPN, the same exact thing. Now they have access into the network already that I authenticated them into, because they are backdooring in through my home machine. And so it's very important to either A, keep that home machine completely off the network so that it's not able to do that, or B, put the same security measures that you have on your corporate equipment onto your personal equipment to ensure that I've got the same malware protection on that machine. I'm still using 2FA to get into all of my accounts, that I still have my hacker monitoring software, MDR or MXDR, in place on those machines, so that it can be locked down and protected as well. Or policies that say, no, you have to use vetted machines in order to get into our network. One of the two.